In front of me is ZTE Blade 10, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So you've got two options, and the quickest one is to use secret code. To do it, just open your phone dialer, go to keypad and enter secret code, which is *pound 06 pound. And as you can see, you've got IMEI number displayed right in front of you. You just tap on OK to close it, and then you can also reach IMEI with serial number via settings. So let's open settings at first, scroll down and pick about phone. And here under model you will find serial number, here it is. And then a bit lower you can reach your IMEI numbers. So you've got SIM slot 1 IMEI and SIM slot 2 IMEI, here they are. And that will be all. This is how you can locate unique numbers assigned to your ZTE Blade 10. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.